To work with Zig and CLion, you need to install a plugin that allows the IDE to understand the Zig language. For this demo, we will use the open-source ZigBrains plugin. Let's start by opening a Zig project in CLion. First, launch CLion. On the welcome screen, select your preferred method for opening a Zig project. As a demo project, we will open TokenUse, an open-source CLI tool that summarizes token and cost usage from various LLM providers. Now, let's clone it from GitHub by clicking Clone Repository on the welcome screen. When the project opens, double-click any source code file. You will see a notification offering to install the ZigBrains plugin. Click Install ZigBrains plugin, and it will be installed automatically. You can also download the plugin from JetBrains Marketplace and install it manually. For this demo, we will use the simplest approach. After installing the plugin, you also need to install the Zig toolchain. Double-press Shift and search for the corresponding section in the settings. In the toolchain field, select Download Zig. Do the same for the language server. After installing both, restart CLion. Now you can see that the code in the project is fully highlighted, which means code assistance is enabled, and you are ready to work with your project. Let's run the program to check if everything works. It does. Great! Now let's try debugging. First, you need to set up a debug configuration. Let's update the default one by changing the build steps and setting the path to the compiled output executable. Next, find the code you want to debug. Set a breakpoint and click the green Debug button. You can now inspect your suspended program. That's it.